The Khasi Students Union (KSU) on the 3rd of July 2024 had called for a shutdown of offices in Shillong and its suburbs to protest against the alleged disrespect shown towards the Jaintia people's Behdieñkhlam festival. The student body took to the streets, forcing several offices and business establishments to close down. Initially, some offices, including banks, post offices and private businesses in areas like Mawlai, Lumdiengjri, Motphran, Khyndai Lad, Laban, Laitumkhrah, Malki, Nongthymmai and Nongmensong remained open. However, the KSU members persisted in their protest, eventually forcing these establishments to shut down. The shutdown had a significant impact on the city, with many businesses and offices closing earlier than usual.
Hello? Hello?
Nakalian ke KSU mentang kasih lai tering kabri kasih keba kemujat penriau berway di rakhib dan beram dengan kasih mengutip kasih rakhib yang dilek yang Behdieñkhlam dia kasih ngadian mengayo kejentip ba kidan ki office bagi bank kiba pelih balong kan sebentar pun isim bagani dia kerja dia persak ini kerja beri berapa nah kalian keseng nak pembed lalu menyustan sebentar repair dong ke Shillong lalu kita Laban Khyndai Lad Laitumkhrah Mawlai kita teter ngelek beliau penkang ya sibuk tadi ke office sikam kumjuru ya ke office public ke post office office FCI ke Pok Mawlai bat kum kaseng hi ke sembak kini ki jenglek juki kaptam ngilap ngpor support bababol ki staff batrai kini ki office kini ki beri banabar bat kini ke jenglek juki kapan betal ini maseng ke jenglek juki ngi sembak kini ke pemburum ke mungkin snap ini kerja beri berlaku berkerja mungkin ya kini si kapang nah kalian kaseng kaya dawan ngpor support ke sarkar bagaling bersimkia bagaling sim ya kini kasih benar ya kita kasih cuti ya borok ki office ki beli hanya pok jala ke jogi ada seng ke sarkar kaya snap menti kan lei ke mansi nak seng kena step in now snap penting lah ban HT ya kasih kapang la kali kasih Behdieñkhlam la kali kasih shut making la kali kasih shut Nongthymmai kumju la kasih dikhu singap dikir crowd duduk terusing work yang lomba melung susu tam kumta terter teknik ke keluar ke masyarakat ko anpa sa sarkar bali ban sumkya bador lain nak yang keseng kenum security 6 balak puasa